of the Massey Ferguson 86 range, and Álvaro here is going to explain to us why it's important for Spain's market and what are the key features of our range-topping 86.
Good morning, welcome to FIMA show in Spain. We are in front of 8690, the biggest tractor of the 8600 series, and this is a very important tractor for us for specific contractors that need the most advanced technology and very powerful tractors.
Can you tell us a bit more about the engine? What makes it such a reliable tractor, and also about the fuel efficiency?
This range is between 270 and 370 horsepower, and now it's fit with the new SCR technology, second generation. They are the AGCO SISU power engines, and they are very economic in consumption, very reliable thanks to the SCR technology, and thanks also to the DynaVT transmission, through continuous variable transmission. Other important things about this range are the panoramic cab or the OptiRide Plus cab suspension. But there are other good options that can we fit in these tractors. For instance, we can choose between speed steer, adjustable direction or not. We can select between Datatronic console or not. We can select between 4, 5, 6 electro-hydraulical spool valves. So there are many choices to attend the different customer needs.
And how many models are there in the 86 range?
There are 5 models between 270 horsepower and 370. They are named 86, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90.
Okay, thank you very much.